going on, guys? We are back with our customer Justin's 2024 Subaru WRX. Today we're doing some carbon fiber fenders with Chris. So let's go get Chris and start getting these things swapped over. There's Chris. There's Chris. Everyone's favorite character here. You're everyone's favorite character here. Oh wait, we're doing an AOS
ready?
too?
This is gonna be sick. Ready? This is gonna be sick.
Now what are we transitioning to?
Okay, ready? I'm gonna throw this to the car and then you're gonna do a sick shot after and it's gonna be
Yeah, we're just not gonna show any of the install.
No, ready?
Chris, what are we doing in Justin's car today?
Doing AOS IAG AOS V3 install.
And? I didn't know
Somebody's
we were
doing fenders. I don't know if it's gonna be me.
Ah, this car looks so much better with the WRX ZR10 wheels that you can find on circadema.com. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? He left. Oh, this is new. Makes your life so much easier.
Step one. Complete. Oh, ain't you the fucking hell?
I said I would take it out.
End up back in the hospital because of you. I wish you remember this? Remember last time you pissed me off?
Don't mind the dyno fan. Kevin's just being real loud. He's got a Corvette on there right now, C6. You're gonna have to speak up.
It's a one-time use fitting. That means you use it once. Needs to come off, cut it. They're using some like dikes. I'm gonna use power.
Got it.
Well, I may have cut the wrong. Good.
It's fine. Don't need that anymore. Bracket attaches there.
Bracket attaches here.
Yeah. Keep going until it gets loose again. Yeah. Nice.
Nice. I would normally
Don't do that last step.
I would normally put these on first, but it didn't say to do that. That's what I get for following instructions. Don't follow any instructions. Let's just see them on circadema.com.
Now you want to uninstall the AOS.
It's just a little tight. Okay, it's a little tight. And I like to be able to see what
that's
the
satisfying.
I'm doing.
That's satisfying. There you go. Much easier. What's next?
I'm gonna take this coolant line off and just hope it doesn't piss everywhere.
Where's your little clampy thing?
I'm not gonna use them. I'm not using them, Jordan.
He's a savage today. He's a savage.
Today, I'm just going for it. But we'll see. If it starts pissing, I'm gonna put that back on there and get my pliers. Good for you, because you know what? You pay attention. Because I do normally use my little pliers.
Your piss clampers. The anti-piss clamp.
Jordan, I want you to know that I really do enjoy working with you.
Oh, I'm doing very hard work over here, Chris. Look at me.
It's gonna piss. So, we're gonna put it back on there and get some pliers.
Jordan was right. Let's get the piss clamps. Man, they're not even noticing.
Look at that constant slope. That's
There
a
you
good
go,
slope.
constant slope.
Yeah, it is.
Now we got one.
See? Just needed to get mad over here. I just miss working with him, that's all it is.
All right, we're gonna bring the fenders over. And Chris is gonna do them. Chris is gonna do the fenders today. So what was the change of heart?
What?
You said, I'm not doing the carbon fenders. And then I get here today and the carbon fenders are almost done. Got to get that work done. Not all the holes were fitting right, so he's got to
Make my own.
make some of his own holes.
I just gotta make the holes bigger.
First, rip the e-cig. Oh look, she don't fit.
I usually have this problem. Do you know what I'm saying?
No, I don't know what you're saying. satisfying. Chris, I'm gonna need you to hook me up. Come on, hook me up, hook me up. There we go. I was hoping there was some carbon bits to finish it off so we don't have to transfer the paint over, and there is. Just gotta drill more holes, or widen the holes. Chris, I'll do the vacuum for you. I'll help out a little bit. That's a satisfying sound. All right, Chris is done with Justin's car back here, so we're gonna take it outside for some final shots of all the good, of all the carbon goodness. Get it out in the sunlight so we can see this beautiful car out in the daylight. All right, thank you guys for watching today's video. Another great video with Justin's car. Always good to see his car in person. Huge shout out to him for always coming back for parts, service, and tuning. Let me know how you guys feel about the carbon fiber fenders. I think they're pretty sweet. I'm glad it did come with the carbon flares right here so that we didn't have to transfer over the painted part. I would be curious to see what that would look like, but it's cool that it's all one blended carbon piece, especially when we close the hood. Let's go ahead and close this. Now it looks completed. So tell me how you feel about this carbon configuration. AOS is obviously installed and ready to rock. Other than that, that's all we got for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. See you.